Under the light, maybe?
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Where's my drink, though? I want to get my drink. Okay. Okay, so
Yeah, good.
Oh, it's good. Ha. Lauren. Hello, Lauren. It's Christine from Happy Slips, Dollar Calm. If you can see me in this light, I'm kind of blending in with the darkness. Nice to meet you. And I'm here to say hello to you. And because you're kind of familiar with my mom, I'm very glad you know that your friend could hold the camera for you because I do not know how to hold the camera. I don't even know how to work it, you know. My daughter bought me 2 cameras, 3. I don't know, I gave it all back to her. I don't know how to use it. Okay? Anyway, I wish you were here. It would be nice to sit around and chat. But I guess I gotta just talk through a camera too. Don't worry, I'm used to it.